guys, we're down here at the lake today and fishing a chatterbait right now. Also brought me a swim jig, and if that doesn't work, we'll head up to the house, grab something else and try it out. Today, just by the looks of it, I'm thinking it'd be a fabulous maybe a worm kind of day. I'm very good with worms anyways, but it's a very beautiful day out here, and got some grass or something on my bait. Oh no, I got a fish. I didn't even know. Wow, I thought I had grass, but no, I had a fish, boys, and I just got started. Well, chatterbait bite might be on. It's a bluegill colored chatterbait. This ain't nothing. Oh yeah, this is all day. Oh, got that one. That's a big spotted bass. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording, boys. Oh my gosh. Oh man, did he put up a fight. Jeez. That's a big spot. Man, I didn't bring my scale with me neither. No. Don't go in the water. I want to take a picture. Please, I want to take a picture. Sorry, fish. He completely took off my crawl. Thanks, little bunny. He took my crawl. Alrighty, there she is, boys. Big spot. We'll come down here and release her. She's been out of the water for a little bit, so I'm gonna put her back. Golly, when I sit right here. There he goes. That's another spotted bass again. This one ain't as big, but still it's a fish. I didn't even know he had it. I had it kind of close to the dock and he grabbed it. I hope I'm recording again. Yep, again we are recording. Woo, boys, we are destroying these bass. They are all spotted bass. He has a rough patch on his tongue. It's another way you can tell if it's a spotted bass. Plus, they got a smaller mouth and spikier teeth. And that's another picture fish. Dude. Oh, he flashed on it. Come on, you fish. Yes. There we go. Woo! Yes. Oh my God, you have seen some better days, buddy. Yeah, I got another one. Yep. This fish has seen some better days, though. Woo! His lip is red. Dude, he has been munching on probably some crawfish or something. It's been getting on his bed. That's why I hated that crawfish so much. There we go, boys. Woo! That's a big spot.